we're gonna work on the tub first. And I guess to get the sheet metal kind of fitted in place, kind of like this. And then once we get that fuse box mounted in, I'll cut my side panel or sheet metal piece to fit around this stuff. So that's the plan.
I shouldn't want you, I shouldn't need you, but I'm afraid that's not up to me. Cause when I hear you sing through my speakers, it's like my mind takes a hold of me. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed. You're in my from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones. You're in my
Alrighty. Well, we have the passenger side mocked up. I just noticed something that might be of a OCD problem for me, just like what happened here. So this, I ended up cutting it way too high. I was not happy with that gap that I had in there, so that's why I ended up going back and tack welding the plate back on, and then cutting it so it's nice and flush up against that radiator hose. I'm going to trim it back a little bit more for clearance, but aside from that, the reservoir, we got good clearance on that. But the one thing that my OCD is concerned about is that gap back there. Because see how on this side, it goes all the way back to the cowl. This side, we kind of have a gap. So might have to do something with that. But other than that, I mean, she's there. The only thing that I haven't done yet that, as you can see, is laying up here is the computer, which is going to go under this cover. So once we get this cover off, I'm going to see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, I can get it out. I got this in here. So once probably tomorrow, because I'm pretty tired for today, but I'm going to use the bracket from Reckless, which is right here for the computer, and that computer is going to get tucked nice and tight up in here. So somewhere right up in there. So it's going to be nice and hidden under the covers. And then I might end up making a little bit of extra of a plate in here, but I'm not for sure on that yet. But the majority of the fabrication is pretty much done as far as like on this upper tab, because I kind of figured that this upper cover right here was going to take the longest. Not so much the top part, but this right here, just making it go around the master cylinder reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. And this wasn't too bad. It was mainly that back there. And then my other OCD, which, you know what, I'm not even going to mention it, but yeah. There we have it. Sheet metal is in. I still haven't tack welded this, but like I said, I'm not going to fully tack it in just yet until I finally mount the computer. So that'll be tomorrow, because the other thing that happened is I ran out of welding gas. So perfect, and on Memorial Day. So there's that. So tomorrow, I'm probably going to finish mocking up the computer, as I said, start tacking this plate to this top plate, and then I'm not welding those side fillers in just yet. I think from there, now I'm going to move on to potentially the hood and cutting out any potential clearance issues that we're going to have now from the hood to the tubs. And then once we get that mounted, then I'm going to start figuring out the hood trucks. So that's going to be the next step. The bar for, I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but the bar for the fuse box is already in, just waiting for that little extra plate, which now that I realized is I'm going to have to cut more of this out to clear the fuse box itself. So This might have been all for nothing because it's got a cutout right here, a cutout for the reservoir, and it's going to have a big ass cut for the fuse box. So might have all been for nothing because we're going to lose a lot of the majority, probably good 80% of that filler piece that goes up like that. So, oh well, it is what it is, but we'll see. That's going to be for tomorrow because today we're done. So catch you guys then.